Good afternoon, friends. As we discussed in the last lecture, inverse of the matrices and the rank of the matrices. Today we going to discuss some rank of the matrices and its application and some special types of matrices. So these are my today's lecture contain: introduction to rank of the matrix, determinant of method, row echelon form method, normal form method, and application of rank, and the last some special matrices. Before going to discuss about the method to find rank of the matrices, what is matrix? What is rank of the matrices? Number of independent rows or column is called the rank of the matrices, and it is denoted by R of A or row of A. Means rank is the independent arrangement, like a timetable for the lecture, etc. This is the concept of rank of the matrices. There are three methods of rank of the matrices to solve the matrix rank: determinant method, row echelon form method, and normal form method. This first method is determinant method. Determinant method can be find by the these four things. The rank of the matrix is less than or equal to R if all R plus 1 row minors of matrix are 0. Second thing, the rank of the matrix is greater than or equal to R if at least one minors of order R is not equal to 0. Obviously the rank of the null matrix is 0 because in null matrix determinant is 0 and no any non-zero element. That's why the rank of the null matrix is 0. And the fourth one, the rank of the non-singular matrix is always equal to its order, because if the matrix is non-singular, then its determinant of that order is must be non-zero. That's why the determinant of that order, rank of that non-singular matrix is that order. Okay, so we discuss one example. Find the rank of the matrices by determinant method. For that we choose one example, one matrix. The matrix is A is equals to 2 3 4 4 3 1 and 1 2 4, and we want to find the rank of this matrix, means independent rows or column. Okay, for that we determine the determinant of that matrix, and the determinant of that matrix is vertical arrangement between the between two vertical arrangement in the matrix, and that can be solved. We discussed in the last lecture. Determinant 2 3 4 4 3 1 and 1 2 4 is solved by this equation: 2 into 4 into 3 12 minus 2 into 1 cross product, and the minus 3 16 minus 1 plus 4 8, that is a 4 into 2 8 minus 3 into 1 is 3. So this answer gives minus 5, and we observe that minus 5 is non-zero. So this matrix is order, this matrix has order 3, and that determinant of that matrix is non-zero. So obviously this matrix is non-singular matrix of order 3, and that's why the rank of A is equals to 3. This means if we take any matrix and find its determinant of that order is non-zero, so we can say that the rank of that matrix is order itself. Choose another example for the rank 2. For that we choose one example matrix A is equals to 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 5 7. First of all we find the determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix, and that is the 1 21 minus 20 minus 2, that is minus 2 because of position of 2 is minus, and in bracket 2 into 7 14 minus 4 into 3 that is 12 plus position of this 3 element that is plus 1 plus 3. So in bracket 2 into 5 that is 10 minus 3 into 3 that is 9. So its answer is equals to 0. So this 3 by 3 matrix is singular matrix. So in this case we observe that the 3 by 3 matrix has determinant 0. So we can conclude that the rank of A is less than 3 because of determinant of that order 3 by 3 matrix is 0. So we conclude that rank of A is less than 3. Go for the further process. We find the we take one minor. That minor we take 3 4 5 7, that is the one minor of 2 by 2 matrix, and that is 3 4 5 7, and solve this determinant. We get 21 7 into 3 minus 20, that is 5 into 4 is equals to 1, and we get answer the 1 which is non-zero. So here one minor, at least one minor we get its determinant non-zero. So we conclude that rank of A is equals to 0. In this so we seen that in this example that any determinant of minor of that matrix is non-zero, then we conclude that that minor order is equals to our rank of that whole matrix. Okay, so let another example for the rank of the matrix is 1. For that we choose matrix A is equals to 4 2 3 8 4 6 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. First of all we find the determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix, and determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix is solved by this pattern. First of all take 4 and minor of that element 4 into minus 3 by 2, that is minus 6, plus minus of minus plus, that is plus 6, minus of 2. Again we observe that the position of that element is minus, so we write minus 2 in bracket minus of 12 plus 12, that is 8 into minus 3 by 2 minus of 12, that is plus 12 plus 3, because of the position of that matrix is this element of 3. So minus in bracket minus 8, that is 8 into minus, that is minus 8, minus of 4 into minus 2, again minus, so minus minus, that is here we get plus 8. So final answer is 0. So we conclude that this matrix is singular matrix. So obviously we observe that rank of A is less than 3 because of determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix is 0. So rank of A is obviously less than 3. Go for further process. Now we take all the 9 minors. Take first minors 4 6 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 is equals to minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 0, because 4 into minus 3 by 2, that is minus 6. Cross product minus of minus 6, that is plus 6, is equals to 0. Again 8 of minus 3 by 2, that is minus 12. Minus of 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12, that is minus minus plus, so again 0. And third minor, we take 8, 4 minus 2 minus 1, that is equals to minus 8 plus 8, and it is 0. Now take another minor of 2 by 2. 2, 3 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 is equals to, we get minus 3 minus of this minus minus plus minus minus 3, that is again plus 3, which is equals to 0. Take another minor, 4, 3 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 is equals to cross product of these two elements, that is minus 6, and minus of cross product of that two element, that is minus 6 minus minus plus 6, so resultant is 0. Again we take one minor, 4, 2 minus 2 minus 1, and answer of that determinant of 2 by 2, that is 4 into minus that is some mistake is here, 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4, and 2 into minus 2, that is minus plus minus minus plus 4, it equals to 0. And here take another minor of 2 by 2 element, that is 6 into 2, that is 12, minus 4 into 3, that is 12, is equals to 0. And another minor, 4, 3, 8, 6, answer of that minor of 24 minus 24 is equals to 0. And 4, 2, 8, 4, that is another minor of the determinant, and answer of that determinant is 16 minus 16, that is 0. So here we observe that the all possible 2 by 2 minors of 3 by 3 determinant is 0. So we conclude that rank of A is less than 2 because of all the 2 by 2 minors of that matrix is 3 by 3 matrix is 0. If we get at least one 2 by 2 minors, that determinant is non-zero, so we conclude that the rank of A is 2. But here all the minors of 2 by 2 are or are 0, so rank of A is less than 2, and obviously rank of less than 2 is rank of A is equals to 1, because here in the given matrix is 9 element of non-zero element. So in this method we seen that how to find the rank of the matrix in determinant method. Now we discuss the find of the rank by row echelon form, and procedure for this method is the rank of the matrix in row echelon form is equal to the rank number of non-zero rows in row echelon form of its original matrix. For example, this is 1 1 3 minus 1 0 1 4 0 0 0, that is the row echelon form of any matrix 3 by 3 matrix, that is A. And observe that here we observe that the row echelon form of the matrix A is 1 3 minus 1 and 0 1 4 and 0 0 0, and non-zero rows in that row echelon form is 2 1 3 minus 1 and 0 1 4. So we get 2 non-zero rows in row echelon form of the matrix given matrix A, so the rank of that matrix is 2. Let one example. Find the rank of the matrix by row echelon form method. For that we choose one matrix A is equals to 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. First of all find we convert this matrix in the row echelon form, and after that we will conclude this matrix is either row rank 2, 3 या 1. For that we choose original matrix 1, 2, 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 and 0 1 1 of minus 1. We want to convert this matrix into the row echelon form. So as we discussed earlier, in the row echelon form, here we get 1 and 1 here and 1 and also here 1. For that we operation of this row operation in that matrix. For that we get here 0. For that we let operation multiply that the first row by 2 and add to the second row, so we get 0, and again multiply first row by 1 and add into minus of third row, so we get here 0 0, and here also already we have 0, so the resultant matrix is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 3 3 minus 3 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 0 1 1 and minus 1. Again we observe that here the element is 3, but we need the element 1 because of we convert this matrix into the row echelon form. For that we take operation R24, means interchange second and fourth row, and after that operation resultant matrix is given by 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 2 0 3 3 minus 3, and we still observe that here element is minus 2 and 3, but we need the element 0 0. For that we operate second row by multiply by 2 and